Mike. I want to thank John for inviting me here and the opportunity to speak to you, and thank you all for coming. Tonight I want to organize my talk under the heading of Music of the Spheres, and as Mike described, I want to tell you a little bit about what we know about our universe. And when we say the universe, I really mean what we can see out to as far as we can see, okay? And I want to first play a little bit of music since the subject is music. There is a question that people sometimes ask, which is, you know, if I can hear the Big Bang, what would it actually sound like? And it turned out there was an astronomer who turned astronomical data into sound, which is, I'm going to play that for you. When I play, it's going to sound a little bit loud, so don't be too startled. It's also going to be slightly anticlimactic, as you will see. Let's play it. Okay, that is the sound of the Big Bang, supposedly. What does it actually sound like? It sounds like just noise, isn't it? It sounds like radio static, yeah? But I can assure you it's actually very beautiful. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So what I'll try to do in the next hour is to give you the background necessary to appreciate the beauty in this noise. And I'll play it again at the end, okay? And hopefully by then, this rather ordinary noise would at least have some meaning for you, okay? So that's going to be our journey. I'm going to organize my talks in a series of questions that people often have. And I'll start with the first one. How big is the universe? That's a very